What's up guys, Adrian here and welcome to MotoristaAdventures. Today, we'll be checking out the 2019 Nissan Terra and we'll see how it fares up with the competition. But before that, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you will be notified on any future videos in this channel. So guys, are you ready? Let's start the video. Yes guys, it's here! The reincarnation of the Nissan Pathfinder. The Nissan Terra joins the fight for a slice of the mid-size SUV pie here in the Philippines. Based on its pickup brethren, the Nissan Terra retains most of the handsome front end with the Navara, incorporating their V-Motion design wrapped in luxurious chrome. The LED headlights paired with LED DRLs enhances this car's menacing look. Overall side profile of the Nissan Terra has clean and simple lines, and Nissan added bulging fenders to the front and rear, giving this car a macho stance on the road. The back of the car has boomerang-inspired LED taillights. It also houses the reverse camera, as well as we have another hidden camera just behind the rear window. This Terra also has noise-reducing acoustic glass. Anyway, we have 18-inch alloy wheels for this model. Like its competitors, the Nissan Terra offers keyless go and push start button. Now hopping into the driver's seat, the dashboard has a good mix of high quality plastics, and the same goes for the doors. Space on the second row is excellent. What I really like are these leather wrapped seats that Nissan calls it zero gravity. Now the point is, these seats offers good thigh and back support. Climbing into the third row seats of the Nissan Terra, we can see that we have limited space. However, you can still slide the second row so that you will have extra legroom. However, I'd still recommend it's best for kids. Now, the infotainment system in this car has a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen display audio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth and video playback functions. We also have a big ass entertainment system at the back of the car. Now it is mounted on the roof. However, in my opinion, we don't really need that kind of entertainment system since we all have our iPads and phones with us every single journey. In terms of safety, Nissan prides itself as one of the safest SUVs in the market today. With its intelligent mobility suite of driver aids, it consists of a blind spot warning and lane departure warning. And this car also has 4 cameras surrounding the vehicle, which projects a full 360 bird's eye view image of the car. Though I don't recommend it, but you can actually park this car using those cameras. The only comment I have is that the video footage is projected to a rear view mirror, makes the videos look a bit small. Anyway, other safety features are hill descent control, hill start assist, ABS, EBD, stability control, traction control, as well as 6 airbags. The beating heart of the Nissan Terra is a 2.5 common rail turbo diesel engine, which has a healthy 195 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, mated to either a 7-speed auto or a 6-speed manual gearbox. Mash the throttle and the Nissan accelerates with immediacy, shoving you into the seat. Nissan stuck to its guns when giving this car the traditional power steering. Now on-road feedback is excellent, however, it's kinda heavy when you're maneuvering on tight spaces. There you have it guys, the Nissan Terra is a compelling option for buyers looking for an SUV that ticks all the right boxes. And the best thing about the car is that it has that surround view camera that other competitors don't have. If you're interested in this car, contact numbers in the description below. And as always guys, hit like as well as subscribe so that you can view my future videos in this channel, and don't forget that bell icon. So once again guys, my name is Adrian and you are watching Motorista Adventures. I'll see you guys on the next video.